Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to download and install iOS 18 beta on iPhone. With iOS 18 announced, many iPhone users may try out iOS 18 beta. Only users enrolled in the developer beta testing program for iOS system software. It is absolutely essential that you back up with Time Machine before installing beta system software, let alone any software update. Do so before proceeding. To install iOS 18 beta, go to the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Next, choose General. Now, select Software Update. Next, click on I next to Beta Updates and select iOS 18 Developer Beta from the list of available beta updates. This will not be available if you have not registered your Apple ID as an Apple developer. Finally, click to upgrade now for iOS 18 beta to download and install the beta version. Users may want to play around with the new customizable dark mode icons and themes. Move home screen icons and widgets anywhere they want to. Customize Control Center. Play around with the new Photos app, schedule messages, or just explore the new AI features. iOS 18 beta offers early access to these features and more. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.